Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to look at the product of complex numbers. So let's start by defining two complex numbers. Let's say that we have a complex number of the form a plus bi, and then we have another complex number of the form c plus di. And so what we'll do in finding the product for these two complex numbers is to use the distributive property. Similarly to how you would use the distributive property to multiplying x plus 3 times x minus 2. So in other words, some of you like to say FOIL. Well, let's go ahead and just show what that looks like. That means we'll take a times c. That means we'll take a times di. That means we'll take bi times c, and then finally we'll take bi times di. We will get some like terms, and we must remember that I squared is equal to negative 1. All right, let's go to our problem here. We have 2 plus 4i, and we're multiplying that by 3 minus I. Keep in mind that we would like our solution to be in the form a plus bi, which is the standard form of complex numbers. Let's go ahead and distribute these two numbers. And so we have 2 times 3, which is 6. We have 2 times negative I, which is negative 2i. We get 4i times 3, which is going to be positive 12i. And then finally, we have 4i times negative I, which is going to be minus 4i squared. Now we do have some like terms. So we have negative 2i and positive 12i. So let's combine those. So that'll give us 6 plus 10i minus 4i squared. Now we need to use the fact that I squared is equal to negative 1, and so we're going to replace or substitute I squared with negative 1. So we'll have 6 plus 10i minus 4 times negative 1. Then we go ahead and find the product of negative 4 and negative 1. This will give us 6 plus 10i plus 4. And finally, we do have another set of like terms, which is the 6 and the 4. So now we have 10 plus 10i. All right, guys, good luck.